Namaste everybody. So now let's chant Om. Om. A great salute to universe. So how to start the class and how to end the class? This is the more important for the yoga teachers. So let's see, so many times as we teach, you can start with the mantra. So the mantra, but before the mantra we like to say, so if you haven't subscribed our channel, so please press the like button, subscribe button and bell icon, because if you don't press the bell icon, whenever we will upload the new video, it will not reach to you. So therefore please press the like button, subscription button and bell icon. So we are talking that how to start the lesson plan, how to start the yoga lesson. So the first I will say that many country, many colony, many society, even you cannot chant Om. What to do there? So the very simple thing, when the student arrive, so most of the we keep the time, like if you imagine if you have a official time, so people coming from the office, so physically, mentally they are tired. So I will advise that the teacher should tell them to lie down, savasana, and also if possible have a very sweet and sound music, peaceful music. So if person is lie down 5 to 7 minutes is savasana, so the person feel calm and peace and it will be ready to practice. This is the one technique. Another technique, if you not lie down, maybe person will sleep, feel much more relaxed. So you can ask them to sit into the cross leg position, sit upon the cushion and bricks, and then hand upon the left on the Swadhisthana, right on the center of the heart, and then close the eyes. Or you can put your right hand on the head here. And then this way they can sit and meditate for 5 to 7 minutes. And then you can start with the breathing or without breathing. This is the second technique. Then the third technique, how to start the lesson. So the third technique I will say, when the student they arrive, you just sit down with the closing eyes, meditate, and after that you say good morning or namaste, and then let's chant Om 3 times Om. So the people they chant the 3 times Om, 6 times Om, or 9 times Om, or 12 times Om, and then you can start with the warm up and lesson. Continue. Now the fourth technique, if this is if you have your school and if you allow the mantra chanting, so I will advise you first let the student come, sit down for a while with a calm and peace 3 to 5 minutes. You can chant Om and then you can start with the mantra. So the mantra, this mantra is come from the Vedas. So each chapter of the Veda, each chapter of the Upanishad, when they start the Rishi Yogi, they start with this mantra, and also they end with the another mantra. So the how to end with the class, that is the further thing we will talk, but let's chant how to start with the mantra. So both hand upon the chest. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahavirayam Karavavai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidavisa Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau bhunaktu sahavirayam karavavahai tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvisavahai. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahavirayam Karavavahai tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvisavahai. A great salute to universe. So this is the very precious mantra which is said inspire, like let us grow together, let us enjoy together, let our study be faithful and truthful, and we never fight each other. So therefore this is the mantra in all the scripture textbook they follow, or ancient text would follow how to start. After then they depend on the teacher, you start with the dynamic breathe or pranayam, and then so but most important, the important of the lesson plan, you must have the warming up. So warm up your ligament joint, because if you will not warm up your muscles and body, their chance to injured, muscle can be painful, ligament can be painful. So therefore your body imagine is a rubber, and if a rubber is not warm up, so if you rotate or bend, is break. The same thing, and then is break, is damage, is unhealthy. So and but if you warm up the rubber, so rubber you can bend easily. So therefore it says that first you warm up your ligament and joint and muscles, and then this way you can, even if you have 1 hour, so 1 hour it doesn't go the good lesson of the yoga. Minimum should be 90 minutes or 1 hour 45 minutes of the yoga class. So it's my opinion. So 15 to 30 minutes you can spend for the warming up for all the ligament joints, and then with the final. The sun salutation, I will advise you yes or no. If you working into the corporate where the people they don't have yoga experience, and then they come from the office, and then also they don't have proper dress code and not serious, they tired. So if you make them the sun salutation, and then especially when you go to the arching back, so it's kind of cramp their lower back, and they can get the lower back pain, or many people they can faint and they can fall down, which is not very good for the yoga teacher. So therefore either I will say also the yes or no to practice sun salutation or not to. If you open the school, beginner comes, so you can make 1 class and 2 class or 3 class specially explanation, correction, alignment only for the sun salutation, because the sun salutation is very powerful. Like if you can practice 1 round sun salutation, 3 round sun salutation, or 6 round sun salutation. Also you can practice the 12 round, 18 round, 24, 36. But many yogis says when you practice on the half moon, you can practice half moon days 54 round, which cleans your body and mind. But if you want to remove any kind of the shock from your life, imagine the shock. Shock means something happened unplanned, accidentally into your life. So it block the many organs, it block into your brain, into your mind. So how to remove the shock? So they say on the full moon day you can practice 108 round. It can take 3 to 5 hours, depend which speed you practicing. 1 round means with the both leg, right leg back, left leg back. It's known as the 1 round, and this way person can practice 108 round to cleanse and circulate and function your all the chakras and body and mind. And then after that sun salutation, you can also in one lesson plan you must include the asana for all that chakras. One asana for Muladhara, another for Swadhisthana, another for Manipur, one asana for Heart Chakra, one asana for Vishuddhi, one asana for Ajna, and one asana for Sahasrara Chakra. And then this way so what happen? Imagine in one plate, imagine if one day you eat only potato, one day you eat only watermelon, one day you eat only rice and dal, one day you eat only salad, one day you eat only banana and fruit. You think you will be healthy? No, it will imbalance your chakras, it will imbalance your health, it will imbalance your body and mind. So therefore, if the food, so in the food you say in your plate must have food for the Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddhi, Ajna Chakra and Sahasrara Chakra. So why not to practice in one lesson? Lesson can be 1 hour or 90 minutes or 1 hour 45 minutes. So we must include the asana for Muladhara, asana for Swadhisthana, asana for Manipur, asana for Anahat, or asana for the Vishuddhi, asana for Ajna and Sahasrara Chakra. And then this way all your 7 endocrine system will be function, all your muscles will be function, all your the organs will be function. And then this way as you will be the healthy and happy. And then after that Shavasana. So the many of the when they complete, so many of the teacher they do the hissing of the lion. It's like see, inhale and so you must sit in the lion pose and make the hissing. And then that many of the teach the shake like tense, the both leg up, both arms up, buttock tense up, shoulder tense up, head tense up, and many of them do, many of not. But important thing, Shavasana means the corpse pose. During the Shavasana, many of them play the very relaxing music, many of them don't. So both are the right, is their opinion. So you can play the music or you don't need to play music. Many of them chant mantra, many of them do not chant mantra. It depends on the teacher, depend on the facilities. But you must give at least from 7 to 10 minutes Shavasana. After that, some of the teachers say turn your body right side. So I am not agree the right side because it tense your muscle of the heart. But when you turn your body to the left side, it relax your muscle of the cardiac and heart. This is the important thing. So better to turn your body to the left side and relax, stay for the 1 or 2 minutes. Shouldn't get up immediately. After that, when you get up, also better you can ask to the student sit into the cross leg position 1 or 2 minutes, and also you can teach some time meditation 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And then after that, either you can complete your lesson just chanting Om 3 times, or you can chant with the mantra. So which mantra to chant is again come from the scripture and come from the Vedas, come from the Upanishad, come from the textbook, which is written into the textbook. So let's chant the completing mantra here. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasisyate. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. A great thanks to universe. Rub your palms, put upon the eyes, open and close your eyes underneath the palm, and then this way you can chant a mantra and student can follow and create the very good vibes, very good energy, and then this way you can start your lesson and you can end up your lesson. But many place is not a mantra allow and not a om allow, so I can tell you that first you get up, so you can say thanks everybody, rub your palms, is step 1. Second, if you are chanting om allow, you can chant om and you can say rub your palms, put upon the eyes. And then third step, if mantra allow, you can chant the mantra and then you say the great salute thanks to the universe, rub your palms, put upon the knees. And then you can say that thank you so much. So this way that lesson you can start the lesson and you can end up with the lesson. So now thanks everybody. So let's chant Om. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. A great thanks to universe.